Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Nikki here from WW Designs. Today I am going to do some collaging for the Scavenger Hunt December Collage Challenge, and the theme is home. Now I am sorry that I missed last month, but I was in the middle of packing up everything and moving to the beautiful Sunshine Coast, following my dream to live at the beach. So I thought it might be fun. For this month, I have collected a heap of things to use for this challenge, and I thought we'd make a little mood board of what my house, or apartment I should say, will eventually look like, or what I'd like it to look like as time goes by. Now that I live at the beach, I want ocean views and all that fun stuff. So let's get gluing. Now, I didn't count up how many I've got, but anyway, it doesn't matter. I've opened my journal. I have found the largest sort of spread that I have available because I have quite a few things here. So the very first one, just over here, I've got my little magazine that I am using to do my gluing with. And the very first image is exactly what I want my dining room table to look like, with a beautiful view over the ocean. And here on the Sunshine Coast, just north of Brisbane, that's not an impossible dream. Now, the next one, I worked out roughly how to place these because I thought I had way too much and I wouldn't get it to fit. So I'm going to put the big ones down first. I absolutely adore this little coffee slash side table that has a glass top. And I think it's been put on top of like a planter pot that, you know, you'd put a plant in normally, and it's filled with shells. I think that's absolutely gorgeous, and I definitely wouldn't mind having one of those in my home. Then the next thing I have here is something that every tropical or subtropical home should have, and that's a gorgeous bark heart made out of, I think this one's made out of bamboo. I just love it. I would definitely like one of those to wheel around when friends come over for drinks. Then we need to have beautiful fresh bathrooms with white sinks and gorgeous taps. So of course, there we go. Lovely modern looking arrangement, which is my style, especially for my home. And then, of course, what's a house without some nice cushions on the couch or the lounge? And I love these here. Look at these beautiful blues. And I love the palm tree, even though it's in blue, not green, but that's okay. I like that. That would definitely suit. Then, of course, we need a bed. I mean, what's a house without a nice bed? And I loved this image because, if it wouldn't stick down to my page, I love the wallpaper on the back. It's got a very faint pattern of palm leaves in beautiful soothing blues. Blue's a great colour for a bedroom because it's very calming. And it's, look at this lovely giant bed head there, built-in little bedside table. I like that very much. Then, of course, when you hang on, I'm just going to quickly change pages here because everything's getting gluey and tacky, and I don't like that because my things stick. So here I've got what I would call the ultimate in outdoor settings. It's right beside the pool, and it has a gorgeous built-in barbecue. Barbecues are sort of a must-have here when you live in Australia. We do love barbecuing because we do get a lot of warm weather. So cooking outside and not heating up your kitchen is a great thing. Now, the next thing, a house needs a floor plan. This is not my floor plan. It's just one I found in a magazine, but it is definitely part of a house. So I thought we better have that. Then I also loved this pool. Needless to say, yes, there must be a pool. Look at this beautiful horizon pool here that looks straight out over the ocean. I think that is absolutely gorgeous. Now, what else have we got here? Okay, so if we are going to cook inside, obviously we need to have some hot plates. In this case, a gorgeous set of 5 gas hot plates. Definitely prefer gas to electricity when I'm cooking. And at the same time, we need an oven. Now, this is not your traditional oven, but they are quite popular at the moment. They come in a multitude of colours, and I think they are very cool. So, of course, I had to go for that lovely aquary tealy one. That seems just up my alley. Then some tiling. Pretty sure we need to have some tiles in a bathroom. And why would we not just have mermaid scale ones? I think they seem appropriate for me. Then if we're going to, oh, what's next? Oh, we need a fridge. How can you have a house without a fandangle fridge to keep all your drinks cold and food fresh? So I have this gorgeous double up one. And what I like about this one is the freezer is at the bottom, which I find very, very handy. Then I couldn't resist this fabulous pot when we do actually have winter, which is not too outrageous, but have a look at the colour of it. I think that would suit my kitchen perfectly. And it's a Le Creuset, which are beautiful to cook with. Then I have the word haven here, which should apply to your home. It needs to be your haven, where you can recharge and refresh. So that is my guiding word for how I want my home to look. Then I found this beautiful decorator plate. You could, of course, put food on it, but it's almost too cute for that, because then you mightn't see Mr. Crab properly. Actually, I think maybe he should go up that way. So I loved that. You need nice platters. Speaking of platters, I also found these ones, which I thought would be perfect in my house, because they're very tropical. Because look at them, they're giant leaves. How cool is that? So I think we need to have those in my home. Where can we fit that? Oh, that'll work. There we go. Now, we need to have maybe a light, a pendant light. I thought this one was quite cool because I love the colour. So how about we pop that down there? Beautiful blue. There we go. And then I found this delightful vase, which would add a pop of green into the scenario, which I think is gorgeous. How about we pop that there? Oh, no, we might pop that there. Got to have a nice vase or 10 for fresh flowers. Then, of course, we need everyday crockery. And even though, as a general rule, I'm a big fan of white crockery, because I do think food looks its best. But these bowls are gorgeous. I love that green tone there. So let's add that in. Now, I think everyone needs a day bed where you can sit and relax when you're tired, read a book, admire the view. So I found this very cute little day bed. I think we definitely want one of those, but where are we going to put it? Maybe down here. I love that. Definitely want a day bed. And then I thought, well, if you're decorating and setting up a new home, then you would buy housey magazines, quite probably. So here we go. We've got a house and garden magazine to read. And then my last piece that I have room for, I think, was this very cute little ornament, because you need a few little ornaments around the place. Oh, now, I want to make it fit in there. Okay, we're going to pop it in there. And he's the prettiest of blues. And that's it, because I have run out of room. But there we go. That was fun. This is what I want my house to look like down the track. and I can open this whenever I'm flipping through my journal as a bit of guidance as to where I'm headed. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope that come next year we'll have another challenge to work through. I do like these themed ones. They're a lot of fun. And I want to thank Lee's Art Studio and Art and Junk Journals for hosting this. I will put their details down in the description box for anyone who wants to follow along or go and see some of the other fabulous collaging that's being done. And on behalf of this challenge, wish you a very Merry Christmas. Please stay safe, stay healthy. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you did. And until next year, bye for now.